Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we will understand how to do Facebook lead ads marketing for event management sector. So here let's assume that I have an event management company and to promote the upcoming event, I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I wish to send an automated WhatsApp message to that lead. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using this amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So here my trigger application will be Facebook and my action application will be WhatsApp. So here to send the WhatsApp message, I'm using Interact. You can use any other application as well. So to know more about this integration, follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to do Facebook lead ads marketing for event management sector. So here let's assume that I have an event management company, and to promote my upcoming event, I have created a Facebook lead ad form. So here my objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to that lead. Now to do this, I will have to integrate both of these applications, for which I will be using this amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So here as an existing user, I'm going to sign in, but if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and you will get 100 tasks for free every month. So as an existing user, I'm signing in. This here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. This here is my dashboard, and to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. And now in this dialog box appearing, I'm going to give my workflow a name. So here I'm naming it as Facebook leads to WhatsApp, and on my left hand side you can see that these are the folders which I have created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook lead ads, and now I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles and concepts of Pabbly Connect, on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action. So now moving to my use case, that is to how to do Facebook lead ads marketing for event management sector. So here in this trigger window, as I'm promoting the upcoming event through Facebook lead ads, so here in my trigger window, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads as my trigger application, and here it is. And the trigger event will be new lead instant. So the moment I will receive a lead, then automatically this workflow is going to run. So now moving ahead, as I want to send a WhatsApp message to the lead, so over here to send a WhatsApp message, I'm using Interact, and here it is. And the action event will be to send WhatsApp template message. So here I've selected my trigger application and the trigger event along with my action application and the action event. So now whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically a WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead. So now to do this, firstly, I have to establish a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now I will add a new connection. So here in one of my tabs, I've already logged into my Facebook account. So I will simply click on connect with Facebook lead ads. And the authorization is successful. So here you can see that the connection has been established. Now moving to page and the lead gen form. Here I need to select the page that I have created for my event management company and the lead gen form that is associated with my page. So here this is the Facebook page which I have created by the name of Sparkle Evenings. So firstly in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to select the page as Sparkle Evenings, and here it is. Now after selecting the page, I need to select the lead gen form that is associated with it. So here in Meta Business Suite, this is the lead gen form which I want to use. So this is how it looks like, and the name of the lead gen form is New Contact Leads form. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to select the lead gen form as New Contact Leads form. So as I've selected my page and the lead gen form, here I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. So as I did that, here you can see that it is waiting for webhook response, which means now I have to do a test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now to do a test submission, I'm going to take you to Meta for Developers page. So here in this new tab, I'm going to search for Meta for Developers. Here it is. I will go to the page. And here in Meta for Developers, I will go to My Apps. And in My Apps, I will go to Tools. And under Developer Tools, I will scroll down and go to this Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. So this here is the Lead Ads testing tool, and this tool is going to test our integration. So here you can create a test lead to confirm that your integration is set up to receive data correctly. So here in this page, I'm going to select my page, that is Sparkle Evenings. And now here I'm going to select the lead gen form that is associated with it. So now I'm going to click on Preview Form. So this is how my form looks like, and this here are the details which I've already filled in. I filled in the details for contact number, email, first name and the last name. So here I'm going to click on Next. I'm going to click on Submit, and it says thanks, you're all set. So over here you can see that your test lead has been sent. That means the details of this test lead would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So I will take you to Pabbly Connect. And here you can see that I have received a response. Here is the contact number, email, first name, last name, created time, along with some other details. That means the test lead which I have just created. So the details of that test lead is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first step of this automation is set up. That means now whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the details of that lead will be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. This trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So now moving further, as I wish to send them a WhatsApp message. So here to send a WhatsApp message, I'm using Interact. So now I need to establish a connection between Interact and Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to click on Connect. And here I will add a new connection. So to add a new connection, I need to mention a secret key, and this here is the instruction given. So read it carefully. Now I will take you to my Interact account. And here in Interact, I will go to my profile and then I will go to developer setting. And this here is the secret key. So I'm going to copy it. And here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste the same and click on Save. Now here you can see that Interact and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. Now moving to these details, country code, phone number and the full phone number. So let me take you back to the response that I've received from Facebook lead ads. So here you can see that I have received the phone number. So the phone number is along with the country code as well. So here in the details field of Interact, I'm going to map the full phone number. So basically mapping is to insert the data from previous step. So here from the response received, I've mapped the full phone number. So as it completely follows this format, so that is why I have mapped the phone number in this full phone number field. But if you would have received the country code and the phone number separately, then you need to mention in these separate fields. So now moving ahead, here I need to select the template code name and the language code. So now let me take you to my Interact account once again. So this here is the template that I've created to send to the leads. So here the message goes as, Dear, thank you for reaching out to us. We have received your details. Our team will connect you within 2 hours. You can check out our website abc@pabblytudes.com to know more about our services. Regards, marketing team. So this here is the message that I wish to send to the Facebook leads which I will be receiving. So here you can see that there is a value in this curly bracket. So this here is a variable that will keep on changing accordingly. So here I wish to add the name of the lead that I will receive. So every time whenever a new WhatsApp message will be sent, so the name will keep on changing accordingly. So here the template language is English and the code for English is EN. So here in Pabbly Connect, firstly I'm going to give the language code that is EN. So now moving to the template code. So here in Interact, in this URL, this here is the template code. So I'm going to copy the same. And now here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste it. So now this is done. Now moving to body variable value. So over here, now I need to mention the variable value. So as I want to mention the name over here, so basically I'm going to map the name from the response that I've received. So here I am just mapping the name and I've mapped it. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response with new data, so that data can be taken into consideration into these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information would have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So here, as I've mapped the details, that means automatically whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then in the template message, the variable, that is the name, it will keep on changing accordingly as per the response that will be received. So now moving further, here I'm simply going to click on save and send test request to see the response. Here I've received a response and this is a positive response. So now I will take you to the WhatsApp message that has been sent. So this here is the WhatsApp message. It goes as Dear Demo User. Here you can see the name that has been added, and this here is the content of the message, and here is the regards, that is marketing team. So that means an automated WhatsApp message has been successfully sent to the Facebook lead. So this integration and automation was a successful one. Now, whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically a WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead by using Interact. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.